Back in Melbourne, it's time to get underway with the auction. James has the cars, but does he have the buyers?
This has history, it has problems, it's got rarity, it's got desirability, it's got originality, and it is in wonderful condition. What I have to start the bidding away today on the Lamborghini Miura S. You want to start me away? 850. Well, I won't go below $800,000, ladies and gentlemen. I'll start on a bingo bid at $800,000 to go today. At $800,000 now, I'll take $50,000 rises on Twiggy's Lamborghini Miura S.
While some cars don't sell under the hammer, they do find buyers after the sale.
Last opportunity at $800,000. Once, twice, third and final call at $800,000. At $800,000, well and truly going to pass that one by today, ladies and gentlemen, under the vehicle's instructions.
Right now, it's tough going for James. Returning to Taree, the Vauxhall Ute is finished and ready for its unveiling. Before the owner arrives, Justin walks Jeremy around the finished Velox.
You actually bought 3 cars in total to get all the bits that you needed.
We bought 3 just to make one car, basically.
And all this glamorous chrome work we see on the front, this wonderful Speedbird type emblem here, and the chrome flashes down the bonnet and the big American type grille. That's all standard, is it?
All stock, yep, all from factory, yep. One of the last things to go was this chrome mould. We had 3 cars, both cars, or all 3, was missing this mould. We searched high and low, and it wasn't until the car was nearly finished that mould appeared.
And without it, the car's just not finished.
Yeah.
I love the practicality and the minimalism of this car. These windows, not electric, not even window winders. You just do that, up and down like that.
Yeah.
What more do you need?
Peter had exactly the same ute as his first car back in the 1950s.
It was my means of transport from about years, 17 on. It's done 75,000, Nick. It's done 75.
Yeah, except it's brand new. Yeah, it's great to see his face today. It's a great finish. Mum and Dad looked after me when I was young and put me through uni and so on, so now it's my turn to repay some of that.
Brings back a lot of memories.
After picking up the Velox from Justin, the boys decide to drive it all the way back to South Australia. On their way home, the Velox made a couple of rounds of the famous Bathurst circuit.